Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what's included in our 98 to 02 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter 24 valve Cummins gauge package. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 1500 degree EGT gauge, and a 30 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge, all featuring a black face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm 60 PSI analog boost gauge with a color change button on the front, 2-foot of power wire on the back, and a 1/8 MPT pressure fitting. A 52mm analog EGT gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog fuel pressure gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, you'll see a 98 to 02 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter 24 valve Cummins installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature sensor with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature sensor harness with a waterproof connector, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a fuel pressure sensor, a boost bolt adapter, a banjo bolt and snubber valve adapter, crush washers, 2 2-foot power harnesses, mounting brackets and hardware, gauge pod mounting hardware, a 3-gauge wiring kit, a direct replacement triple pillar gauge pod with a speaker cutout, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.